what's up? Welcome back, or if you're new here, hi, my name is Ara and welcome to my YouTube channel. So first of all, please click on the subscribe button down below and also the notification bell for you to be notified on my next one. So click. So for today's video, as you can probably see in the title, I will be rebonding my own hair. This product was just recommended by my sister. This is the Ahglow Professional Hair Straight Hair Rebonding System, and I got this from Shopee, and I'm just gonna link the shop down below as to where I got it. And yeah, right now I'm just hoping and praying na I'm not gonna go bald at the end of this video. And to my sister who recommended this, hi Sister Roxanne, if you're watching this and if I'm gonna go bald at the end of this video, bantay ka lang dyan kay pawan sadti ka. So anyway, before you do this, you try this out too, you also need to consider like your hair condition. And it also says here like one of the golden rules when you do a hair rebond is 3 months after you had a hair color or hair highlight. Wait, I think I need to change, no, para dili maglama-lama. So anyway, I got this top from Shopee, and if you haven't seen my Shopee haul, I'm gonna link it here. So anyway, this is the top. So anyway, this is not the video is all about. So let's start. I'm gonna change lang sa wait, change ako. Okay guys, so I just opened the products, and to tell you honestly, I'm not gonna read the instructions now because I did the easy way, which is I just watched YouTube tutorials that has the same product na I'm using.
So that my things will not be all over the place.
This is the straightening cream. Modo ni siya ang first nabuhaton. Uy, messy na kayo. Piste. Wait lang ha. Kasi on saan ako ang electric fan. So here it is. So the first thing that you will need to do is you layer your hair. So I don't have clips. Wait, I'm just gonna use this scrunchie, which sponsored by, I forgot the name, Serenity Irish. I'm just gonna put it here. So thank you Serenity Irish for this scrunchie. It really helped me a lot with this. Okay, so here it is. So first is let's brush muna our hair. Oh, by the way, time check, it's 1:34 in the afternoon. So let's check how long will it take me to finish my hair rebond. So look how unprofessional. I don't have ganang gamay bitong sudlay. So what I'm using is I'm just gonna use my gloves to apply the product. So anyway, I don't know what to say anymore. So magchika-chika na lang ta. So guys, this is now I'm almost on my 2nd month in YouTube, and so far I'm really enjoying it. So yes, and does need ba nga murag basa kaayo or you should ask your like mom first or the closest professional hairstylist that you know, because this is the hair that we're talking about. It's our it's a girl's crowning glory, and isud na unsay mahitabo kay, di ba? Basin maupaw mo. And for me, I'm not even sure if this will do. I'm done with the first step, which is the straightening cream. I think this is the best that I can do. So it says here na you need to wait for 45 minutes. I'm actually shocked diba, sa salon.
It would take you 6 hours to finish this process. Pero what I read sa reviews, 45 minutes is actually the minimum. So you can actually extend. So I think I'm gonna go with an hour and 30 minutes para maluto yun siya. And I'm not gonna go for 2 hours na kay basin na sinaupaw na ko. And right now I don't know what to do. So I'm just gonna update you later.
Okay, so I changed my mind. I'm gonna call my sister instead, si Roxanne. I'm gonna tell her na, Rox, nawalan ako ng buhok. Because she's the one who recommended me to try this product from Shopee. And let's see what's her reaction. Hello? Hello? Buang ka, nakalbo ako. Buang ka, lalagas yung buhok ko sa Rebond. Hello?
Lalaki, honest to God.
Buang ka, nakalbo ako si Pound.
Talaga po, bakit kasi, di pa tanaw, eh.
Buang ka.
Uy, gago, hindi siguro kasi naka-bleach ka.
Nalagas yung mga buhok ko.
Mga puta, seryoso, patingin daw.
Buang ka talaga sa bagong ta.
Talaga, hindi na. Kasi feeling ko kasi daw naka-bleach ka.
Ang buhok ko nasa tenga na.
Honest to God, ha?
Oo
Kasi
nga.
galing mo.
Buang.
Patingin mo na.
Joke.
Gago, papaano?
Say hi to the vlog.
Oh my God, gago.
Say hi to the vlog.
Ha?
Say hi to the vlog.
Paano kanta?
Kasi sabi ko kasi ikaw nag-recommend sa akin. Then, say hi to the vlog.
Samok ara, uy, sige na, I'm busy.
Say hi to the vlog na buang.
Yeah, okay, hi.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey guys, so I already washed my hair with this. So the next step is I'm gonna blow dry my hair now because it says there now when you apply this one daw is it needs to be super dry daw. Time check, it's already 3:55. Okay, so some of you might ask na nakapoy-kapoy naman niya siya magingano eh. I'm not sure with you, pero ako manggod ka ng if you're just inside your house, does it mean na dili na nimo alagaan yung self? It's not necessary to look good, to dress up. For me, it's still necessary because it will also affect, diba, the way you think, the way you see yourself. I'm sure I'm not the only one, diba? If you feel beautiful, feel lang. If you look beautiful, diba, you're gonna be more productive. You're gonna have the drive bitaw to do something compared to when you feel like you look ugly. Wala kay gana mo look, diba? You just want to be on your bed and wala, magmukmuk ka sa corner. Okay, so it's time for the second product, which is this one, the violet. And I just want this over na kay, you know what? I can't feel my hands anymore.
Can you imagine I ironed my hair for 2 hours and it's almost 6 p.m. So I just want this done.
So same process ganina. We just need to section our hair and apply the neutralizer. Okay, so I'm now done applying the neutralizer. So now let's read how long should this sit sa atong hair. So directions for use.
Apply on dry hair Check, do not wet hair after ironing. Leave cream on hair for 10 to 15 minutes. Yes, 10 to 15 minutes lang. To allow it to exert its neutralizing action and make the straightening effect permanent. Okay, so rinse thoroughly with warm water for 5 minutes or until water runs clean.
Hey guys, so I just finished blow drying my hair and this is how it looks like. And it's not yet finished. I didn't iron it yet, which is the last step.
I love that girl. I love that girl.
Okay.
I decided to shoot it the next day because it was dark na last night and para makita sa ninyo siya on daytime. So here it is. Guys, imagine I only spent 233 pesos for this and compared to like 5,000 plus para magpa-rebond. And guys, mura yung chick sa salon. And take note, this is already the next day, so nakatulog na ko ani. So anyway, I just wanna say na now I know why mahal kaayo ang rebond. It's not because mahal ang products, but it's definitely because of the labor. So anyway, thank you so much for watching this video and try at your own risk. So bye! I'll see you in my next one.